no disease history ng family, had been health conscious all my life. Nag-start na ako hindi mag-strict low carb. Pero nagigilty pa rin, should I be really guilty or okay lang kumain ako ng high carb minsan? So the thing is, unang-una, like, did you do low carb because of disease reversal po ba? Kasi kung nag-low carb kayo pang-prevent, wala naman talaga kayong sakit na ni-reverse, then I don't think it's a problem. Again, hindi po pwedeng hulaan, lalo na as we get older mga kapatid, no, dapat nauuso na po yung tinatawag nating preventative healthcare. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang kayo nagpapadoktor kung may nararamdaman kayo, kundi kung may resource lang din naman po kayo, ugaliin po every year. Punta kayo sa doctor niyo, hingi kayo ng full metabolic profile. Taon-taon, kung pwede ninyong ipagawa yun, then you just do a surveillance yearly. And kung nakikita nyo naman doon na na-maintain nyo in spite of doing liberal low carb, then it means your body can tolerate it. Ano? Once kasi naman na nag-low carb ka, you do have that flexibility, kapatid. So we don't want to be so restrictive kasi nga, in reality, life is so dynamic. Hindi ka naman all the time na nakakakain ng mga dapat tama mong kainin. Sometimes, you're traveling. Ikalawa, may mga stressor sa buhay. Kung ano-ano mga nangyayari sa buhay and you cannot keep yung strict lifestyle mo. So, i-build in mo sa lifestyle mo yung metabolic flexibility. When you are metabolically flexible, then it shouldn't be a problem. Yung paminsan-minsan, magdadagdag ka na ng mga higher, complex carbs, for example, should not be a problem. Ngayon, syempre, itong advice na ito ay hindi para dun sa mga malala na ang sakit at dun sa mga nagsisimula pa lang. You want to be really stick to therapeutic carb restriction muna. And then pag nasa maintenance phase ka na, you have a little bit more room to experiment and see. Pero yun nga, hindi pwedeng hulaan. Dapat laboratory test po tayo para nakikita natin yung totoong values po natin.